Hello and welcome, guys. This is another episode of Insurance Now with the Howard Insurance Group from Allstate. I'm your host, Josh, along with
Corrinn
and
Brad.
Guys, thanks for tuning in today. So this one is something that I've been thinking of for a long time because I have insurance. We all have insurance. We all know we have to have insurance, but I have not had my insurance reviewed in 2 years. And is that a pretty long time in review years?
Oh, my goodness.
So the answer to that must be yes, because it's been 2 years since we've had any sort of review. We've been with the same company for a long time because we've been fairly happy, but we've also had no claims and stuff like that. So how often should I review my insurance?
So Corrinn is using the words of our 3-year-old. And
my
yeah,
goodness.
so it's time to have a review.
Is it?
And we recommend at minimum every 12 months. And
Really?
Your insurance agent should be doing that with you, whether it's us or someone else.
I couldn't even tell you who our agent is.
Most people would say that to us, and it's what it's what we're trying to change with our customers, because people can text us, they can call us, they can come into our office. It's really about having that relationship and making sure you're covered correctly. And everyone needs insurance, and it's something we hope we never use. However, we want to make sure when you have to use it, you're covered correctly.
Yeah, you've got everything you need, because when things do go bad, and we all know in this world these days, things go bad. It's all over the place.
When you least expect it.
Yeah, when you least expect it. So why is it important that I do the insurance review? I know I haven't done it, and probably it's because I've been lazy, but why? Why is it important?
I'm going to go ahead and take this one. I think it's important that you do the insurance review because you need to understand and take the time and ask the questions and make sure your insurance agent gives you the information. Not everybody understands why you need the uninsured motorist coverage or why you need to take a business coverage and take it to a $1 million policy. But I think it's really important if everyone is just sitting there and listening to each other and putting it to numbers. Because I can tell you, like, I can, how am I saying? I can put here and put it into words that you need to have this coverage. But if you do not understand how you need to protect yourself, I can't really help you. So I really need you to help me help you.
And that's our job to make sure that you understand it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. Like
you got it.
It makes
we
total
get
sense.
passionate about this because
I do. I get really.
The why is important.
Yeah, like
and
it's so heartbreaking to me.
Yeah, so just watch someone that has a claim and not get made whole in a claim. Mm-hmm. And that's difficult. That's a conversation that Corrinn and I never want to have. We want to make sure that you understand what the coverage is, you understand the risk you're taking on, and you understand that in the event that something happens, which we don't want to happen, you're made whole as quickly as possible and as painlessly as possible.
Sure. So
that your life gets back on track as soon as it can. Mm-hmm. And if you don't have the right coverages, that can hit a really big road bump, right? Or speed bump.
It can affect it changes lives.
And it can just mess things up for a long time.
So I'm recently married. Recently, it's 4 years now.
Congrats, man.
Thank you. We're trying to have children. What changes in my life pop up where I need to sit there and do a review? Because I was thinking as soon as we start having kids, that's probably the time I should look at changing my insurance.
Now.
Right now.
You're planning. Mm-hmm. One of those things that we will talk about when we do a review with you is what kind of life coverage do you have? Life insurance is something that must be talked about. It's essential to talk about. And we want to make sure that either your spouse or your spouse and your kids are covered in the event something happens to you. And there's no better time to do it than at your current age. I don't know your age. It doesn't matter. But 2 years from now, 5 years from now, your rate's going to be higher. In fact, 2 years, 5 years from now, you may not be insurable for life insurance.
Wow.
So
Wow.
we just want to make sure you're covered getting to that point where you have kids and you go, I can put my head on the pillow at night and make sure that I have everything I need for my family.
All right, you made that really hit home with that statement. Make sure I've got everything ready for my family.
Right.
So now is the time. I guess now is always the time to get an insurance review.
Absolutely.
And if our audience wants that to happen, how do they get a hold of you for doing that?
Give us a call or text us on the number on the screen, 303-919-5180. That is my cell phone. If you prefer email, you can shoot me an email at bradleyhoward@allstate.com, bradleyhoward@allstate.com.
Well, thanks for opening my eyes up again to another reason why I should get things rolling now instead of later. Because the more I'm with
Absolutely.
you guys, the more I realize I am not as ready for life and with insurance inside of it than ever before. So
We'll make sure you're in good hands with us.
I love it when he does that, man.
Come on, I started that.
Yeah, she did.
Truly,
She
he
did
stole
start
it.
that.
This is how all good relationships work.
Yeah, that's true.
Guys,
Thank you.
Absolutely. That's what we're here for. But guys,
Thanks,
this has been
Josh.
another episode of Insurance Now with the Howard Insurance Group from Allstate. Thanks for informing us again, guys. It's really what we're after. So
Thanks for having us.
absolutely. Guys, get a hold of these folks right away. They hope to hear from you soon, but we will see you guys next time. So take care.